What's up?
Colton!
Hey,
Hey, on YouTube!
I get drunk in the morning, Caroline.
Café Cubano.
Hey, how's it going, ladies and gents? Last vlog, if you haven't seen it, it will be right over here, I believe. Right over there. You can click and you can check out last vlog. I was exploring Florida with my good old buddy Mackenzie. And me and Mackenzie been friends for more than a decade. We actually met working together at a movie theater. He's a little throwback for y'all.
John, Caroline.
Mackenzie, what up?
Yo, and we're about to go to
Universal!
Yeah, we made some signs. Well, Mackenzie made some signs. Show it to the people.
Foley equals Roz Anonymous GM.
All right.
That one's for my brother. This is my personal favorite. Oh yeah.
Oh, smoke weed every day.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, and the driver, John,
What's good?
AKA,
What's good?
I get drunk in the morning, Caroline.
7 o'clock, we gotta start early. You already know.
What up, man?
Hell
I guess.
yeah.
I thought you were gonna say what up to the people.
What up, people? How you doing?
But who are the people though?
Steve Dez followers. What's up, guys? Excited for Harry Potter. Yo, it's John's first time in Harry Potter world. You know that?
For real?
Yeah, I just popped my Harry Potter cherry.
How good's it feel? Does it feel good?
Yeah, it feels good. I think I'm catching real hardcore feelings.
90 minutes. Oh my Christ.
What's up? Yo, what's up, Devin?
What's up?
You vlogging this?
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Kyle, what's up?
What about me?
No, what's up?
What's up?
What's up? Whoa, we're cleaning theaters. Woo. So much fun. Look at Dean. That's illegal. In 11 states.
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Mackenzie. Hanging out with my boy Steve Dez at Regal.
Hell yeah.
Yo, you see me before at Universal? See me again? How do I look this time?
Colton!
Colton! Colton!
Hey,
you're on YouTube.
Hey, that's Colton projection. Moon him.
No, I can't. I moved him from up there. I can't move him from down here. Did though? Did you know that?
Yeah, I know.
Steven told me. This bastard right here.
All these stupid kids shows.
Bro, that chicken was hilarious. That's all I gotta say.
Chicken? Oh man, the chicken was awesome. Actually, it's not that bad.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Up a gang sign.
Gang signs.
Gang signs.
Gang signs. What's your gang sign, Yesenia?
What?
Gang signs. Right there. Bang. Gang sign.
No, any gang signs.
LA. That's 305 right there. 305. 239? It's all about 787. 787.
Yo.
787.
The 239. Yo, Plaza represents the 239. 239.
51 states.
51 states. You guys know there was 60. What?
Courtesy cups of water.
Go do it.
Well, mine?
Yeah.
Practicing for
Oh, in the mouth? Oh, snap.
Hold on.
Pinky. See you guys, Pinky.
Pinky?
Stop it!
Devin is an asshole, man.
Why?
Stop it!
Yeah, do it with the pinky. Go.
Stop it.
No, Dean, do it with the pinky.
I'm doing it with the pinky.
That's what
I'm
she
doing
said.
it.
That's what she said.
I think Yesenia wants you to film her.
Pinky,
Because she wants to be on YouTube.
Can't have a pie without Cooper.
Y'all, it's so crazy. See?
Besides working together at the movie theater, we actually spend time to smell the roses because we used to go to wrestling events together and also theme parks, which is why we kind of did that on the last trip. If you haven't seen, check it out. It's over here or over here. Check out that last video. But yeah, we spent a lot of quality time together. Check it out.
What up, man?
So, what's going on? What's going on?
Not much. We're just waiting to go on Jimmy Neutron.
We transferred from Islands of Adventure over to Universal. So we're waiting for Jimmy
adventure was so sick.
Monster.
Brought to you by Monster.
So what's up?
That's
Good.
the chicken. That's the chicken right there.
Let's see what Mackenzie's up to.
Let me see. He's trying to get hot or the little chicken.
He's trying to get his little chicken.
Trying to get the little chicken?
Yeah, I'm getting a little.
I got that one.
Push that gray button.
Plug it, plug it.
This little chicken is so excited to see Mackenzie. Big Mac attack right there.
Thank you.
Oh, what do you guys take a picture?
Yeah, we can take a picture of him.
I want to get it.
You want to get in? Yeah.